Alright, so I'm gonna do a how-to install fender flare thing. So yeah, it can be with like any fender flare in general, but I'm gonna use these.
Keep in mind, we've never done this before.
I mean, I've cut my fenders before, but still didn't know what I was doing, and I still don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, just line it up. If it fits decent, we got this off eBay or whatever. So once you got your flare marked out, you have your line here. And then I'm just gonna cut right here somewhere. I'm not gonna cut all this out because that'd be kind of pointless to me. So yeah, cut this out now.
Safety first.
I feel like I'm gonna.
Always dress good before you work on a car. I know CPR.
Oh yeah, this is what I have now. I'm not putting the flares on. I'm actually putting some 27s, custom made, because you know they don't make 27s, so I got to get custom tires and everything too. Maybe a Formula One racer, IndyCar status, open wheel, first open wheel 350Z. Who knows? Hey, you can't really see it, but Aaron's over there. He's about to take a pee outside, but there's a bathroom in there, but. Alright, so. Hey. Awkward. Anyway, next thing is to drill holes where these go. Basically, you mock this up, drill your hole here off the car. And then when you have your hole drilled, put a marker in there, marker that, and then you'll have your little black dot here, and you drill that.
And then you duct tape it on, and then you're done.
Yeah, duct tape, don't bolt it. I still sound like shit, but boy, Bobby hooking. Hey, can you turn that down, man? Cheers, mate.
Put mayonnaise on it too, dude. When it's out. South Mississippi thing,
Never heard of that.
Gert?
I've heard over here though.
Make sure you open that thing all the fucking way.
Oh, it's the same way that he had it, so.
straight first? Okay, I know what it's like.
You want to do this corner first?
Alright, shouts to this dude.
No.
Dude, real shit. I'm gonna show you. This right here, when I got it, was like completely like just fucking smashed and cracked. Doesn't even exist anymore because of this guy. Anyway, Dylan's leaving. Peace out, Dylan. Can't really see him, but he's right there, mate. And he even, I don't know if you can see that, it says back called HD. And there's a penis. That's the finished product right there. So to give you a rundown, basically put your flare up here, outline this. We cut somewhere around here, and then a little bit up in here. Maybe you don't have to cut that much, but I did anyway. And then same thing with this. I got some other body sealer I'm gonna put under there, and the cuts that I used. But it's fine for now. Go to this side. Bruh. Bruh.
It looks so good. Hold up. Hey, let's go see one more time. Let's see if we can wake him up.
Alright, dude. Aaron's a little messed up, but whatever. He did it to himself.
Aaron!
Aaron, you just moved. Hey,
Hey, bro,
Aaron,
the car.
the car's on the ground.
It looks so good, it's done.
It is on the ground, sir. Yeah, he's not getting up. He just opened his eyes.
Don't even care. Oh, well, I guess you
Aaron! Hey, I'm still playing Forza though.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
While sitting on his lap. Hell yeah.
Oh,
No,
no, he'll probably kick the shit out of me. Alright. Get back, get back. Woo.
I like it, dude. I like it.
Do you like it?
I like it.
Dude, it looks insane. How does this make you feel?
I'm just gonna go head on to the Nissan dealership now.
For what? A GTR, I hope.
Alright, dude. I'm headed out. Later, man.
Peace.
Later, dude.
Oh, that's Dylan, by the way. Peace out, Jancy. We're gonna end it here. That's how we install the flares on my Z. You can do it the same way. There's multiple ways to do it, but whatever. Cars and coffee in the morning. Hopefully, because the fitment's pretty tight down there.
Really tight.
Really tight. So, if you got any questions, comment down below, and I'll get to those ASAP. Rocky, that was weird. I like these awkward endings, but
It's bedtime. Like,
Bedtime.
comment, subscribe.
like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do. So, Aaron's passed out. I'd get him to say something funny, but I can't. So, until next time, gonna wrap the Z next. So, subscribe for that one. Peace.